Sharing one's ATM PIN with others is a big no. It is essential to keep your PIN confidential to avoid any financial losses or identity theft. Hello my friends, welcome back to our channel where we always bring you useful content about banking and finance. Today's video, let me share with you top 5 banking mistakes that you need to avoid in Cambodia. But before we start, please subscribe if you haven't already so that you won't miss out any future videos from us. So without further ado, let's dive right into the list. No. 1. Our first story. Meet Chansam, a hardworking worker who earns $400 every month working at a garment factory. Shamruan works 12 hours per day, Monday through Saturday. With his monthly salary of $400, he can cover his basic expenses such as food, transportation, and rent. He also has some extra money left over each month. However, instead of saving or investing it, he likes to keep it in cash at home. He believes that having cash on hand gives him a sense of security and allows him to take advantage of any opportunities that may come his way. For example, if his motorbike breaks down or he needs to pay for an unexpected medical bill, he can use his savings to cover the cost. Or if he sees a good deal on something he wants to buy, he can use his savings to make the purchase. However, Shanruan is unaware of the potential risks associated with keeping large amounts of cash at home. There are many dangers that can befall him, such as theft, fire, or natural disasters, which could potentially wipe out all his life savings in a single instance. Therefore, it is crucial for him to consider alternative ways of storing his money that are safer and more secure. What do you think? Is this a smart way to save money? Let us know in the comment section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video. Mistake no. 2. Borrowing without planning. Meet Boon Rithi, a young entrepreneur who owns a small grocery store in his village. Recently, business has been slow, and Boon Rithi is eager to boost his sales. He comes across an advertisement offering cheap loans for small businesses and decides to apply. The loan application process is quick and easy, and soon he has the money he needs to invest in new products for his store. However, Boon Rithi doesn't put much thought into how he will repay the loan. He simply enjoys the benefits of having extra money to spend. Several months pass, and Boon Rithi's business starts to pick up. Sales increase, and he finds himself making more money than ever before. But now he has to start thinking about repaying the loan. Unfortunately, Boon Rithi didn't set aside any money for repayment, and he struggles to come up with the funds. He considers taking out another loan to pay off the first one, but this only makes his financial situation worse. Eventually, Boon Rithi is forced to close his business and declare bankruptcy. It is important for individuals to plan ahead and consider the long-term implications of borrowing money. Borrowing money without a plan can lead to a cycle of debt and financial instability. It is crucial to weigh the risks and benefits carefully before taking out a loan and to have a clear repayment strategy in place. Are you guilty of this? If yes, what do you think is the best way to get out of this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Banking mistake number 3. Not knowing fees. Meet Sruntola, a university student who recently opened her first bank account. She is excited to start managing her finances and building her credit history. One day, she decides to transfer some money from her savings account to her current account to pay for some overdue assignments. However, she notices that the amount of money in her account has decreased by a few dollars. Confused and frustrated, she contacts her bank's customer service to inquire about the missing money. She learns that her bank charges a service fee for transferring money between accounts. Frustrated, she wonders why she was uninformed about this fee beforehand and vows to be more careful in the future. Mistake number 4, signing without reading. Meet Sukputh, a successful businessman who owns several companies in Cambodia. One day, he is approached by a representative from a major bank offering him a loan for his latest business venture. The representative explains that the loan terms are highly favorable and encourages Sukputh to sign the contract quickly. Eager to secure the funding and start his project, Sukputh quickly signs the contract without taking the time to read through it thoroughly. Several months later, Sukputh begins to realize that the loan agreement contains clauses that are unfavorable to him. He had not noticed these clauses when he signed the contract and is now unable to renegotiate them. As a result, Sukputh loses a significant amount of money and is forced to scale back his business plans. Lesson learned: always read through contracts thoroughly before signing them, even if you are in a hurry. By doing so, you can avoid costly mistakes and protect your own interests. Don't let yourself fall victim to a bad deal. Banking mistake number 5, sharing ATM PIN. Meet Ms. Sapheep, a diligent employee who works hard to earn a living. After a long day's work, she goes to an ATM machine to withdraw some cash for her daily expenses. While entering her PIN, she is approached by a stranger who asks her to lend some money. Feeling sorry for the stranger, she shares her PIN with him, believing that he will only use it for that transaction. However, what she doesn't realize is that this stranger is a thief who has been targeting ATM users. The thief uses the PIN to withdraw all of Mozap's savings, and she is left penniless. Sharing one's ATM PIN with others is a big no. It is essential to keep your PIN confidential to avoid any financial losses or identity theft. By doing so, you can protect yourself and your money from falling into the wrong hands. And there you have it, friends. The top 5 banking mistakes to avoid in Cambodia. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in avoiding common mistakes when it comes to banking and finance. Remember, being financially responsible is key to securing your future and achieving your financial goals. So be cautious of the mistakes we've discussed today and make informed decisions to protect your hard-earned money. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? How did you get out of them? Or if you have any other tips to share, we would be happy to hear from you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. We regularly post videos on personal finance, banking, and other topics that can help you make the most of your money. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support means everything to us and motivates us to continue creating valuable content for you. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, remember to stay smart and keep learning about personal finance. Take care and goodbye.